What's up, dude?
I'm good.
Nice jacket. I remember that one. It's pouring here as well in Bombay, and I was going to wear a jacket, and I saw that in the cupboard. Can you imagine if I put that on?
It has been another story.
Okay.
It looks warm there, dude. It looks like really
Boiling.
nice. Boiling.
22. I mean, technically boiling for London.
Awesome. Karishma, we are
All
all
right,
yours.
Karishma, we're good.
Yeah. Okay, I'm starting. Together, they took Indian tennis to great heights, won 3 Grand Slam men's doubles titles, were world number 1 in rankings, held the record for most number of wins in Davis Cup. But then their relationship hit a break point. Joining us today are Leander Paes and Mahesh Bhupati, or Lee Hesh, as they were lovingly called during their playing days. Thank you for being here on Times Now with us.
Thanks for having us.
Leander, to you first. What was the first initial reaction when this idea of Breakpoint on ZEE5 was floated? Was there nervousness? Was there excitement? How was it? What was your first reaction?
Mahesh and I have been getting offers to do Breakpoint for about 20 years. And we've been getting offers from production teams to do a feature film in Bollywood. But it didn't seem right for us because telling the Leander Mahesh story in 90 minutes or in 120 minutes could not capture the essence of what we have done. Also, if you look at it, we've played for 20 years and traveled the whole world, winning Grand Slams and getting to world number 1. So when collective artists Vijay Subramaniam and Ashu came to us and said, boys, it's a great story to tell. How would you like to tell it? We were really grateful to them for doing the business behind the scenes. But then they brought Ashwini Iyer Tiwari and Nitish Tiwari to the table. And I think, correct me if I'm wrong, Hesh, but I think at that point was where both of us believed that it would be great to do a docu-series to capture all the nuances of our brotherhood and of our friendship and how 2 young Indian boys can win Wimbledon and how 2 young Indian boys can achieve their dream, to show youngsters how you can be the best in the world at anything you want. So in that, I think when at every stage when this Breakpoint docu-series was getting mounted, it has been a phenomenal journey. And I think the fans are going to love it on the 1st of October when it releases on ZEE5. You're going to see a real thriller. You're going to see some fun.
Mahesh, the experience for you talking about a Breakpoint that, like Leander said, is coming on 1st of October. I'm sure there must have been moments that you relived, nostalgia that you must have gone through looking at those moments of winning Wimbledon or French Open.
Yes, all of them. I actually watched the entire thing yesterday for the first time in totality, all 7 episodes, and making it for the last 18 months and then reliving it has been an incredible journey. Honestly, I've seen so much footage and so many articles and so many images that I've never seen before, believe it or not, and just to relive that, mostly the good, partly the bad, but it's been kind of surreal.
But somewhere, did you also realize that things could have been handled differently, or maybe could have been done differently?
Yeah, of course. I mean, very tough to live your life in hindsight, but both of us would agree that we could have always done things differently. But we were 24, 25-year-old Wimbledon champions, so we were not prepared for kind of everything that followed after the success we got. And we were still, once I watched it, especially the last episode yesterday, it was surreal what we were able to achieve together from where we started and where we came, and that's what we're very proud of.
And Leander, if we talk about the split that happened, that was also in the public eye. It would be right to say that it broke the hearts of many who were following this pair of Lee Hesh through the entire tennis career. How do you look back at that particular moment in your career?
You had the whole country invested in the Indian Express. You had the whole country
Absolutely.
watching us whether it was our fashion, whether it was the tournaments we played, whether it was our wins, whether it was our losses, whether it was our friendship. The whole country was watching. And also this in Breakpoint, you're going to not only see how two young Indian boys embark as pioneers in achieving greatness, in achieving winning Grand Slams, in achieving getting to world number one, but you're also going to see a true story of how champions are also vulnerable. And that's the part that I really respect about Mahesh, is that he has the courage and the ability to tell it truthfully. And that's the part that I feel we both really wanted in Breakpoint. And that's why we said no to it for 20 years, that when we actually got down to making this, we've told the story very raw and very real. And that's the part that I really enjoy about our brotherhood, is that it stood the test of time. I mean, don't forget that we were 15, 16 years old when we first met each other. And when we first met each other, the vision that I had was, this guy's backhand is world class. It was in Colombo in, I think, February of 1989. And he was just hitting backhand after backhand after backhand. I'm like, wow, this backhand's world class. And when I went up and I introduced myself to him and I said, hey, I'm Leander. And he said, I'm Mahesh. And I said, would you like to win Wimbledon? And he burst out laughing and he said, you're crazy. And I said, I know I'm crazy, but would you like to win Wimbledon? And what?
Yes,
10 years later, 10 years later, we won Wimbledon. So yeah, the rest is history.
But Leander, has this show also kind of helped bridge the differences, bridge the gap that were there for whatever reasons that had developed?
You know, our friendship has always been really solid. We have differences of opinions because we are different kind of people, you know. But what is magical about us is that we complete each other. Mahesh's strengths are my weaknesses, my strengths are his weaknesses. And I know that at any given time, if he needs me, he just has to call and I'm there. I know if I need him, I know he'll be there. So really, Breakpoint has been a great healing for us, where in the making of Breakpoint, we've been able to address conversations that were still open, and also with a bit of wisdom and a bit of experience, we can also laugh at ourselves now, you know. And that's the fun part, is that you look at so many friendships or so many brotherhoods that don't stand the test of time, but ours has. And we're really thrilled to take this on ZEE5, and we're very grateful to the ZEE5 team for giving us the platform to show it in how many countries, Ash?
190 apparently.
190.
Wow.
Jesus Christ, I thought it was 89. But to show it at in 190 countries, dialects, I think there are like 8 or 9 different languages that we're using. It's going out to the masses. It's going out globally.
Yeah.
And this is the first sports Indian docuseries that is going out globally in this fashion. So we're really excited about it. And we're very grateful to everyone at Earth Sky, ZEE5, and Collective Artists to give us this opportunity. And personally for me, I'm very grateful to Mahesh for not just the whole ride that we've had through our lives, but also another project that has been a great ride.
And Mahesh, for you, how has been the experience of doing a Breakpoint for you along with Leander? And now that it's going to be available to people world over, what is it that you wish people take away from this series?
So, yeah, I think like Leander said, we've been approached multiple times, right? And for us to be able to finally tell the story because we found the right storytellers to partner with us, I think that was exciting. What will people take away? I think with Leander and Mahesh, there were always that what if or why questions that were perennially attached to us. Hopefully they'll get some answers. I still hope it kind of inspires, future generations, because what we were able to do was, we all dreamt to play Wimbledon. Now kids can dream to win Wimbledon. That's the kind of transition we believe that we were able to create in tennis players' minds across the country, and maybe even sports people's minds. So, hopefully those are the many takeaways from the show.
And my final question to the both of you, would you believe that giving back to this sport, coming together in the future, could be the perfect ending for what we will possibly see in Breakpoint?
Look, I don't think there's any ending for the Indian Express, right? I mean, we've got this bond that we will share as long as, you know, we're both around. Would we like to do something for Indian tennis? Absolutely. I mean, we've all both collectively and individually raised our hands in the past, because I think no one can, you know, do that advisory role better than us. But, you know, if that happens, great. If not, you know, I'm sure our journey will continue in various ways for a long time.
Leander, for you?
The best thing that I enjoy is that we've got such a great and rich history behind us. As two young Desi boys, we've been able to achieve something that nobody's ever been able to achieve, which is win Wimbledon as a team from India,
Yes.
and also become #1 in the world. Now, part of our journey of why we've done Breakpoint is to inspire a whole generation of youngsters in tennis, in sport, and in any walk of life. That if these, you know, we two Desi boys can embark in the 80s and the 90s with no ecosystem to teach us how to win Wimbledon, no textbook that can teach us how to win Grand Slams. If we can achieve what we have, then every child on this planet can achieve success as well, with passion, hard work, and tremendous self-belief. And I think that's the story of Leander Mahesh, is that we have a lot of passion, especially when it comes to playing for our countrymen.
And that's also very relevant in these times, because, you know, we keep saying in Indian tennis, who after Sania or who after Leander, who after Mahesh Bhupathi. So that has also been ongoing for a long time. So this is going to inspire a lot of people, like you said.
Yes, for sure it is. I think that that is our main focus here, is that you go out to 190 countries on the planet in multiple languages. And if 5 years from now or 10 years from now, you know, kids can come out and say, you know what, we watched Breakpoint. We went and Google searched both you guys. We saw what you'll achieve for the country. And because of Breakpoint, we believed in ourselves and we also became successful. I think that would make both of us really happy.
Thank you so much for your time, and we wish you all the very best for the release of Breakpoint on ZEE5.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Karishma.